What is a member? A member is a scout or leader in your pack or troop. They may earn awards, appear on the roster, and may be members of a den or patrol. Every scout and leader in your unit is a member, and each should be created within Scout Manage. To set up a new member, click Admin, Scout Setup, or Leader Setup. On this page, you will see a list of all members that have been set up in your unit. By clicking on these buttons, you can show just leaders, just scouts, or both. For each member, you see the member's name, their role, whether they're a scout or a leader. If they're a scout, what their rank is, leadership positions they're currently holding, and users assigned to these members. What then are users? Users are used to log into Scout Manage. Everyone that uses Scout Manage should have their own username and password. This user will give each person the appropriate permissions they need to access Scout Manage. We will talk about users in a separate screencast. Assigned users, as listed here, are those users that are assigned to this member. A user that is assigned to a member means that user has permission to access, update, and receive notifications for that member. You may have as many users as you want assigned to a member, and the user can be assigned to multiple members. If you wish to create a new member, click New Scout or New Leader. Enter the name of the member. You can optionally create or assign a user to this member directly here. You can select to assign to an existing user or create a new user. You fill in an email address for the user and an invitation to join Scout Manage will automatically be sent to that person. In any case, the new or existing user will be automatically assigned to this newly created member. Or you can choose not to assign a user now and do this later. Click Continue, and the member is created. Here you see basic information about the Scout that you can also update. Then click Done. The new member will appear in a list of existing members. If you assigned a user during the process, that username will appear here. If you created a new user, the user will appear as pending until the invitee accepts the invitation and creates a username password. Also from the screen, you can select which leadership positions, if any, you want this person to hold. The list of positions available varies by unit type, pack or troop, along with whether the member is a scout or an adult leader. To add a leadership position, simply select a position from the list, and the position will automatically be added. To delete an assigned position, click the red X by the leadership position, and that position will be removed. You can also edit the details of an individual member. You'll now see a list of all the primary membership information for this member. You can change a name, birth date, and other pertinent information. You can attach one or more phone numbers to a member. You can mark the phone number as a home, mobile, or work number, or any other available type. You can do the same thing for email addresses, physical addresses, and websites. This information is stored in Scout Manage, attached to the member, and presented in various reports and on the membership roster. Scout Manage does not make use of this information in any other way. In particular, the email addresses specified here are for the roster and reports only and are not used to send messages to members from Scout Manage. Members sent on behalf of a member from Scout Manage are instead sent to each user that is attached to the member and is sent using whatever email or other communication mechanisms that user has set up. At the bottom, you can specify which den or patrol the scout belongs to, along with the current or highest earned rank. This applies only to scouts, not to leaders. You can also assign an ID number and specify the date they joined a unit. You may delete a member by clicking the delete button. Warning, once you delete a member, the entire record for that member will be removed from Scout Manage, including all achievements, financial, and other information. This cannot be undone, so be careful before deleting a member. You may also create a backup or archive copy of important information in a member before you delete them. From this page, you can also click View for any one of the members. This will take you to the home page for that particular member. Here you will see all the information about the member, including achievements, notifications, finances, and other information. Note that in order to create or delete a member, you must have either unit admin permission or membership permission. Additionally, any user that is set up as an admin for a particular patrol or den can create and delete members for that den or patrol from the den or patrol menu.